So we got the front end back together. He doesn't like the polished legs or the chrome, so we just painted those up. Gonna have to touch them up, but they look alright. And it's got all new brakes. So that's the front end done. I have to put the new rebuild kit in there. Okay, so once you pull it out, this is what mess was in there. As you can tell, it is nasty. So thankfully we have a kit with all the new stuff. Okay, so as you can see in there, it is pretty nasty. So we're going to flush everything all the way through to the caliper, which is already open on the bleeder. We'll clean everything all the way through and put new brake fluid and the whole bit in there. So I ended up taking it off the bike because it's much easier to clean. But once you get it as clean as possible, make sure you blow it out. Make sure none of the orifices are plugged. And then it's time for the new kit, which we have right here. Comes with lube, so you can lube up the seals before you slide that sucker in there. You don't want to rip a seal with them dry. So we'll try that. Get it back on the bike. So, once you have to hold this piston in while you put that ring inside the lip, so the seal there. So that's kind of fun, but it wasn't too bad. And we'll throw her back on the bike. Alright, so front end is done. Now we'll be, now that we have good brakes again, I'm gonna give her a spin. So once I got that new thing in there, everything all buttoned up again, and works good. It's got a lot more tension now, a little more braking power. The pads that were on it were pretty much non-existent, so, but it's getting there. Now we're on to I think I'll drain all the fluids and then start tearing down for the rocker boxes. And she's all back together.